Okay, so now I want to show you how to upload your video that you've made into YouTube. So you go to your drive, and if you just upload it, it's going to be right there. I went ahead and I renamed it. So I've already renamed it Test. And okay, you can rename whatever you want. Then I right-click again and I download it. You'll see it downloading down here. And from there now I will add a new tab and I will go to YouTube. Your icon should be right there. If it's not, you need to log in through your Google account, but that's my Google icon. Click on it and I go to your channel. Now I'm in my channel. It says Leanne Pendleton. And I'm going to go right here, this little camera look. If you hover over it, it says create a video or post. I want to upload a video. And this is why I downloaded it. It's so much easier than going here and selecting the file. If I just go over here to where it's downloaded, and I pick it up and I drag it in, you can title it. If you already have it titled, it will give it that same title. I go down here and I put it on a playlist. I put it on my Pendleton Academy, jokingly, because of Khan Academy. I named mine Pendleton Academy. Yes, it is for kids. Notice it's processing the whole time I'm doing this down here. Next, and then next again. You can make it private or public. If it's private, only the kids that have your link can get to it. Public, if they stumble across it, which people are not going to, but you can make it private. You can even schedule a date for it to be public. There is your link. So I'm going to copy my link, and it's already processed, and so I'm going to hit save. And now there it is. Now, so if I want to add that to my Google Classroom, period, classwork. I know it's Tuesday, August 25th. I've messed up there. So let's say I already have this and I want to add that video to it. Or I can do a whole assignment. Let me just show you how to do the whole assignment. It's it. Create. You can do it under material if you just want them, if there's nothing for them to do but to watch that video. I usually do material. Watch the video to understand how to make a screencast-o-matic. Then down here where it says add, you're going to do YouTube. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste and hit search. There it is. Click on it. It'll become blue around it. I want to add, and right there it is. Make your topic, go into that day. You can click on it, and it takes you automatically to the video. We're seeing your things on the screen. So that is how I did it. I found that it was much easier to put it on YouTube. The students were able to get to it and download it and watch it much easier from YouTube than me trying to do it directly from my drive, especially if they're a little longer. So that is how I used it.